welcome to my channel. My name is Dina Calesso for those that are new. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell button down below if you have not already so you can join the family. I just want to give a big shout out to you guys for subscribing. I finally hit 100 subscribers. I know that might not be that much, but it is a lot to me, and I want to give a big thank you to everyone who has subscribed and has supported me. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this video, and let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm just blending on my foundation. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation, and I primed with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So I'm just blending it out with my beauty blender and making sure everything just looks flawless. Now I'm going in with my Too Faced Multi-Sculpting Concealer. I love this concealer. It's been one of my holy grails for the longest. I just have not found a concealer that I love as much as this one. But yeah, I'm looking for a new concealer, so let me guys know what are your recommendations. Now I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade Medium, and I'm just going to be using my Morphe brush to just sculpt out my face and kind of line where I want to contour. I just finished blending out my contour and my concealer. I'm going to be contouring my nose. I'm using a different product than the Tantour. I'm just using another Too Faced concealer in a darker shade. I'm just going to be sculpting my concealer. It just feels like it blends really easy and seamlessly, and I love that product to contour. Now I'm just setting my under eyes with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blue Setting Powder in the shade Banana. I love how matte and like blurring this powder is. It's also super brightening. And now I'm going to be setting my eyebrows with the ABH Clear Brow Gel. I did my brows off camera. And now for the star of the show, we are using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy palette. I love this palette just because I feel like it's super universal and versatile. You can create a glam pop of color look, or you can create like a neutral smoky eye sultry look, and I just love the color options on this palette. Definitely one of my favorite Anastasia palettes at the moment. I'm taking OG and New Yorker in the transition crease shade, and I'm just going to be blending those two shades in together and just building them up. Next, I'm going to be defining my outer crease a little bit more and darkening it up. I'm taking the shade 1988 to do that and my Morphe brush. And I'm just keeping this on the outer end of my eye and then just blending it inward. Okay, so I did my right eye cut crease off camera just because I wanted to map out how I wanted my eye look to look. So now I'm going to just be cutting out my crease with some concealer and just doing a half cut crease. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Georgina and I'm going to be applying that all over the lid and just spreading that all over. Going back in with that same 1988 shade, and I'm just going to be merging in the brown with the shade Georgina. But I'm just adding more of the 1988 and I'm not adding any more of the Georgina shade. I'm just going to be blending it all together. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Gemini because I just felt like this look needed more of a sparkle. So on top of the Georgina shade, I added the shade Gemini, and you could tell how amazed I was with this pressed glitter because it was beautiful. For lashes, I'm going in with one of my favorite lashes. They are from Lilly Lashes in the style Miami, and they're just so fluttery, pretty, and doll-like, so I thought this would be beautiful for this look. So for this look, I really wanted like a pop of color, so I took the shade Breezy and a mixture of the BH Carnival palette, like those hot pink shades, just because I wanted it really bright and fun. And now I'm going in with my Anastasia bronzer in the shade Saddle, and I'm just going to be bronzing up my face. Going back in with my Anastasia loose powder, I'm just going to be carving out my cheekbones. For blush, I'm going in with the Sephora Collection number 6 blush, and this is a really pretty Barbie pink blush shade. Typically, I don't go for pink shades for blush, but I thought this was a really cute switch up and it complemented the look really good. And now I'm taking the shade Barbs from the Amrezy palette just in the inner tear duct, and I'm just going to be brushing away my powder. For lip liner, I'm going in with the Morphe Sweet Tea lip liner, and this is like a matte mocha type of shade, and I'm sorry if I cut off throughout the screen. For lipstick, I'm going in with my MAC lipstick in the shade YASH. This lipstick is one of my favorite MAC lipsticks just because I feel like it's one of the perfect nudes for my skin tone. So this is definitely one of my go-to lipsticks. To set my makeup, I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Dewy Set, and then what I like to do afterwards is just bounce in and push in that setting spray into my skin. For highlighter, I'm going to be mixing 2 highlighters and going in with my Anastasia So Hollywood Loose highlighter, and then afterwards I'm going to take my Amrezy highlighter just for that extra bling. And of course, it would not be right to do an Amrezy look without her highlighter. I hope you enjoyed this video. Here is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.